Welcome to the outskirts of Fes in Morocco, where we've taken a grand taxi and we're now heading towards the town of Sefro on the fringes of the Atlas Mountains. Today we're on a small group tour, learning about Berber life, meeting locals and experiencing life outside the city. If you'd like to go on this exact experience, there's a link in the description. This video only shows a small part of what we saw on the day.
After they smash all the olives there, they put it inside the swans and they squeeze it. And then all the olives go there, see? And they put it in a big box. And then after the olives come up and the water goes down. The clear oil? Yeah. Look at this. You want to try? Yeah. Come, just with your fingers, please.
So good. Oh
nice. Really good.
Shukran.
You would think it would be much darker.
Okay, right? Go.
Oh, be careful, I'll go slowly.
Yeah, I go slowly, don't worry. Okay, you want to hold that thing?
Yeah, hold it. Hold it.
Hold this.
هذا محترح من ايرلندا. يخدم معاكم اخويا سهوا. Nice. Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yes, and it's warm, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. So he do this job. He's doing this job. ماشي بواحد الجامي.
لا الزابي.
الزابي. Mr. Azabi, he did this job from ياك كان 8 الصباح حتى 8 الظهر الصباح ياك. So he do this job from 8 o'clock today. He finish until 8 o'clock tomorrow morning.
Wow.
So he works 24 hours.
Wow.
But he have breaks in this 24 hours. When the time he stops and change, yes, and do things. أعطيهم شي خبيزات سخانين. You want to try some bread, right?
Oh yeah.
yeah.
Yes. شي خبيزات يكونوا سخانين يحرقوهم في يديهم باش يعرفوا كانت دير الماء كذا. هاي صغارين أربع جنب.
Oh my God.
Yes, كاين سخانين. ما بقاوش. Yeah. More water. Now it's less because there is not so much raining when you start. So it's less.
These walking sticks.
Nice.
Big size.
Yeah. Maybe pass them down.
Are we passing them down,
Yeah.
or are they for specific heights for specific people?
Huh?
Pass them down,
Yes, this one
or
for
is
you.
this my size? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So here that's happened because of the like so much fields water in the raining time. So it was raining, so all these plants used to be in the land. Because of raining, so the land move. So we're gonna be carefully a little bit here, and we're gonna cross. Okay?
Okay.
Careful here, please.
Careful here.
Please. Don't look to
Attention.
the figs.
Attention.
Careful here, please, too.
Take care.
Can you do it?
Yeah.
Yes? You ready?
You first.
Okay, you first. No. You go from here and I go from here.
So straight across?
Yes.
Where?
You can cross if you want.
You're not. What are you doing?
Yes. If you do it next time, you are fired from them. And the vegetable, yeah. And more like natural front. Please. Oh yeah, the girls get the best.
Yeah. Go for it.
Yeah,
Just keep checking that we're still here. Yeah.
sit wherever you like. Or you can sit inside or here, wherever.
I'm done.
Okay.
Mélangé.
Mixed means like. And you know why they do the tea like so high up? So you can. It's good because the tea when it's so high, it's they become oxidation. It makes the tea healthy, and also you can see the glass if it's from the smoke. If it's clean or not. With the smoke, you can see if it's clean or not. When it's got the smoke, you can see the round that's from the foam, and smoke it's clean or not. So you see the glass from it's clean or not. So if you come nearby and you look when he's putting, you can see the smokes comes in the back. Yeah, you can go near. So you can see on the surrounded, so the glass gets smoke, so you can see if it's clean or not. So it's clean. But when it's not clean, you can see this the.
Is there a reason why he puts the first one back in the pot?
This is like give more flavor.
More flavor, yeah.
More flavor.